Hi guys, it's Kat, and since it's Christmas time, I wanted to slow down for a minute and share what I'm grateful for this year. First, I am grateful for this community, for every single person who watches my videos. I learn from my course and learn from my courses. I learn so much from you, from your messages, from your comments, or when you share your text journey with me. You what makes this channel, Not So Boring CPA, possible. I'm grateful for my tax business, for the clients who trust me. I love my clients. For the students who learned with me, and for the chance to build something meaningful, educational every single day here on YouTube. And it's a gift I don't take for granted. I'm grateful for being able to go back to school, and I'm grateful for Cornell EMBA. It has challenged me, exhausted me at the same time, but it has also inspired me, given me the new ideas and connected me with the people who are truly incredible. I'm grateful to be part of resilience in Ukraine, and I try not to bring it as much to YouTube because it's such a sensitive, very sad topic to me and majority of the people, because so many people's lives are affected. But the beauty of it, I see the light, I see the best parts in every single person, in every single volunteer, in every single supporter of Ukraine. I see the strength, I see the bravery. And thank you so much. I also, if you want to look it up, my NGO, it's Make It Possible Ukraine, and I'm very thankful for the world to supporting the country, me by running NGO, but everything, and I believe in a happy episode, everything going to be okay. So this reminds me what courage, what bravery looks like. And most of all, I'm grateful for growth, for learning, for choosing to keep going even when the life gets overwhelming. If this year taught me anything, it's that your journey can be messy but beautiful at the same time. Wherever you are this holiday season, I hope you have a moment to breathe, reflect, and celebrate how far you came, how far you come. I'm cheering for you, and I'm so grateful for you here. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you in a new year. And let's make the next year the most incredible year for all of us. Cheers to you, with love, Kat.